Hello everybody, Miss Z here. Today we're going to learn how to build a table in Microsoft Word. So open up your Word document and use a blank presentation. Then click on the tab Insert on your ribbon and go to the Tables group and click on Tab, Table, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a 4x4 table. So you go 4 across and 4 down. And then you just click into the command. Alright, so what we're going to call this is 2013 car sales. So just type 2013 car sales. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to merge and center this first row. So you can highlight the first row this way, or you can click on, let me click back into my table, you can click on the Table Tools group, and where it says Layout, click into Layout. You can go to the Table group and go to Select, and click on Select Row. And it does the same thing. Alright, and what we're going to do is go into the Merge group, because we're going to merge and center this first row. The merge group, you're going to go to merge cells, and then you're going to go to the alignment group, and then you're going to go to center. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the home tab, and what we want to do is grow this font to size 20. And there is size 20. And I'm going to click out just so that you can see it. Alright, then our second row in the first column is going to be called Name. And we're going to tab over and we're going to call this first quarter. And we're going to tab over and we're going to call the next column, second quarter. And we're going to tab over and we're going to call the next column third quarter. And then we're just going to put a name in under names. It's YL. Okay. And where it says name again, we're just going to put a name. And I'm just going to put the same name backwards. Doesn't matter what name you put in. I'm just going to highlight the rest of my table, and I'm going to go to my layout tab in the Table Tools group. I'm going to go to the cell size group, and I'm going to height, and I'm going to grow my table, and I'm just going to grow it to 0.5. Okay, and then I want to make all of my words at least 20 point font. So I'm going to the home group and I'm growing my font to 20. And it looks like I'm going to have to grow my table just a little bit larger so that the names can fit in. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select table, and that is in the table group. Select table, or you can highlight it. Either way you want to do is fine. And then go to design, and then put a table design on your table. So I particularly like this design, so I'm putting this design. You can put numbers in here if you like. You don't necessarily have to. You can also adjust your columns to however you want to see them. It's fine. I'm just showing you different ways to do this so that when you get your challenge, you'll be fine with your challenge. So if you want your everything on 2 rows, you can have everything on 2 rows. If you don't want it on 2 rows, then just make your font a little smaller. Okay, but this is fine. The next thing I want to do is go to the Table Tools tab and to the Layout tab, and I want to convert this entire table to Word. So I'm going to go to my table group, click select table, and I want to go to the data group and say convert to text. So it's going to be all words. And we put in tabs. If we had put in paragraph marks, we would select paragraph marks. If we had put in commas, separated the words with commas, we would put in commas. But we actually put in tabs. So you're going to select tabs because that's what's in this table. And click OK. And then it goes into just regular text. So now if I want to take it back from text to a table, I'm going to highlight all of my work, go into my Insert tab, and then from my Insert tab, I'm going to go to my Tables group, go down to where it says Convert Text to Table, and then I want to make sure where it says Separate Text at, we want to do it by tabs because tabs is in this group. And you notice when I go to paragraph, it says 1 column but 4 rows. But we know we made a 4x4 table, so it has 4 columns and 4 rows. When I click on tab, it automatically says 4 columns and 4 rows. So I click OK. And this is my table again. Of course, I will have to put my styles back in again. So I want to go ahead to my table tools tab and click layout, and I want to go to the merge group, merge cells, and I want to center that information. Okay, and then if I want to put my table styles, I'll go to my table group, select my table, go to the design tab, and then click on my table styles, and then go down and click on my table, and that's my table one more time. Okay, I'm sorry I'm clapping, but my cats are fighting. So I'll see you all in the next lesson. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.